Gewante magwa ọmọ ekwe ndị ha abụọ pụta ka anyị gbaa egbe ndị ọmọta ka anyị pụta ka anyị gbaa egbe ibukwana ya bịa m jiri ogbunigwe m gbabie ya abụọ gị kwuo nga anyị ga-apụta kwuo nga ọwụ silekwe nga ọwụ ịpụta ma ịhụ m di ya m bịa nga agbagbo ma na ọwụ mụ ekwe fuck you.
Hope Uzodimma, Charles Soludo, Peter Mba, David Umahi, Nyesom Wike, Rotimi Amechi, Okezi Ikpeazu, Orji Uzor Kalu, Rochas, Willie Obiano, Sullivan, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi.
PM don't talk now. No be AI. No, I did for the meeting. I hear with my ears. Even when the voice was not clear, we asked, some people asked him that we know they hear him. He say, okay, he can't they speak loud. I say, una they hear clear now. They say yes. And in this meeting, Igwe Putuzo dey there. I hear Igwe Putuzo voice. Gentle dey there. I see Gentle come out with him video, no be picture, no be voice alone. In come out and in talk. Many people were there for the video could confirm. And there's so many commanders who were there.
Oh boy. That oil and gas, that mineral resources is in Biafran soil, is in the southeast. If they want to take it to save life, let Donald Trump come and take it. This is the same mineral resources that Nigeria gave to Finland. Alexander Stubb sold Prime Minister Simon Ekpa out.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 5th of November 2025, we the team of Magnetic TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, this is indeed a good news. You know, Ugo 247 has confirmed that Gentle Yahoo is alive. You know, when we are telling you guys that Gentle Yahoo is still alive, some of you are doubting. Some of you are even asking in comment section, is it true that Gentle Yahoo is alive? For Christ's sake, Gentle Yahoo is alive. Nothing has happened to him. If you have studied the way the Nigerian government do work, if you have studied them very well, you will agree with me that if they have captured or if they have bought Gentle Yahoo, they would have circulated him. All the whole social media would have carried the news. All the social media would have carried the news with proof, evidence. It's either picture or video. Just the way the time they bought Gentle Yahoo brother, when Ugo 247 was still against Gentle Yahoo, you know, there was a time Ugo 247 was against Gentle Yahoo. So they shared the picture of Gentle Yahoo brother as they eyed him. You know, that kind of a thing. So had it been that they have gotten the lion himself, Gentle Yahoo, they would have showed his video or his pictures. So here he has confirmed that Gentle Yahoo is alive. And Simon Ekpa speaks, you know, he gave an instruction. This time around, I'm telling you, some of all the bad politicians are going to Keteria here. They are going to see win, because the game is just starting. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released in no distant time. You know, today he has a court case today, right? Yesterday his court case was like the judge was forcing him to open defense, but Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is still staying on his ground that nothing like that they should prove to him any existing law that say that he is guilty before he will not open his defense. The judge refused, saying or insisting that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu must open his defense. Well, let's see what will happen today.
No matter your location in different parts of the world, lovers of Biafrans, lovers of freedom, I'm here once again. I, Commander, Truth is Power. I am still standing on the ongoing grace of God upon Biafran Defense Forces and Biafran Republic government in exile. I am here to thank the Almighty God for giving Biafrans the opportunity to hear the undiluted truth from the Truth is Power himself. I want to state categorically, but before I do that, I will always appreciate the relentless efforts of Biafran Defense Chief, his resolution in protecting the Biafran territory and its boundaries. Today's date is 3rd November 2025. I am standing upon the office of Major General Gentle the Yahoo to address Biafrans and all lovers of freedom all over the world. To portray to the world regards to the trending of genocide against Christians, the dehumanization, the violation of human rights, and disregard to the rule of law in Nigeria, which ought to be the succor to the common man. All because of the Islamic agenda. They don't want the Christians to be. This message is going straight to the President of United States of America and the person of Donald Trump and all leaders of conscience to understand why the genocide against Christians in Nigeria can never stop by the Nigerian government. Number one, the president and the vice president and all service chiefs are all Muslims. Number two, I want President Donald Trump to understand that the ex-president Buhari used ex-service chief brutality to brutalize, murder, maim Christians in the north, west, and in Biafra land. If the president of America fails to intervene as promised, believe me, there will be more brutal massacre of Christians' lives in every nook and cranny of this contraption they called Nigeria. Sir, it is so appalling to say Biafrans are part of Nigeria. The leaders of conscience and international bodies should take note that Biafrans and Igbo region are not part of Nigeria. I reiterated for that reason that Nigerian government, APC and PDP within the Nigerian geopolitical zone are hiding under the umbrella of Islamic agenda to make sure they Islamatize every part of Nigeria. For so doing, they are killing Christians on daily basis.
This information guy from the Biafran Liberation Army is telling us exactly what is going on at the moment concerning this Trump threats to come into Nigeria and deal with the jihadists, all these terrorists, Boko Haram and the rest of them that are buying Christians, buying people anyhow, while the government of Nigeria are looking the other way. You know, this thing is no longer a child's play. It is going to be hard. It is going to be a very big reality.
Not just Christians, they are killing Biafrans on daily basis. By tagging them terrorist group, of which IPOB is not. IPOB is not a terrorist group. This is just their agenda. Whereas they integrated the terrorists into their system in order to maim and kill the Christians. Finally, I'm calling on the attention of United States of America President under the administration of Donald Trump to intervene over the genocide crisis against Christians. I'm appealing as well that the President of United States of America to be careful over Nigerian corruption and bribery system. Now, I just want you to listen to the names of those sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. Tinubu number 1, Brutal, Christopher Musa, Gumi, Hope Uzodinma, Charles Soludo, Peter Mba, David Umahi, Yeson Wike, Erofai, Lai Muhammad, Rotimi Amechi, Okezi Ikpeazu, Ojozo Carlo, Rochas, Willie Obiano, Sullivan, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Raymond Omokiri, and others. These people are sponsoring, leading, financing Boko Haram, financing terrorists, causing insecurity in Southeast. Mr. President of America, I want to use your good office to investigate these people, to bring them to book. If not, your mission and your goal against the killing of Biafrans in Nigeria will be nothing. More so, I want Mr. President of United States of America to be aware of this information, that the weapon of warfare being given to Nigeria to fight against terrorism, this weapon was used or is being used against the Christians and Biafrans in Nigeria. The armored tankers, the fighter jets, the chain guns that are meant to fight against those that are causing insecurity. That is the Boko Haram, ISIS, ISWAP in Nigeria. Rather, the Nigerian government reintegrated the so-called repented Boko Haram into the Nigerian security system, going about killing our brothers, killing our fathers. They took our mothers away and they raped our sisters to death.
Okay, I greet everybody anyway they see me from or they hear from me. I greet you. The update from PM with me I can't give yesterday. That was in a live video and there was some interruptions and interjections. I just want to make this video short and brief, just exactly the way PM said it. PM Ogobatra, when PM came in, PM made it clear that he is in high spirit, and that the high spirit is not the form of a Jofor, the type or the kind of Jofor used to come and tell us no you do no na high spirit. That na high spirit inka o high spirit inke zukuniano fuma ebeyano na egwu anara atọkwa n'afọ o wee bute ụzọ na ya nwa bụ ụzọ n'ihe a na-eme. Ya nwa onye ndu anaghị ejechighị azụ, na ya ekwochirigo na ya ekwochirigo. Onye ndu wekwa na-akọwa na ndị na-asị ndị Nigeria na-asị na Trump enwere evidence na ha cool down, na kọtụ nke ikpeazụ a na-eje na ha ga-ahụ ihe karịrị evidence. Na Trump adịghị nsogbu ọzọ pụta na social media ọ bịa na-enye ha evidence, na ha nọ nwayọ na evidence na-abịa, na evidence a ga-awụsa na court karịrị evidence na awụsa ya na alagamama jijiji. Ọ na-akọwakwa na-akọwasi ike na enwere ndị na-ama mma n'azụ, ndị na-amanya mma n'azụ, ya nwawu odogwu, ya nwawu PM na-asị mara na ndị manamanihu guampitenazo. That is, there are people where they stab am for back, but those people no be problem. In problem na to get Biafra, and he make one thing very clear. One thing we make very clear be say, make una know they fight each other for social media. Make una know they use people picture, they go fight each other for social media. He made this point very clear. He said, na Biafra you they look for, continue they look for your Biafra. Leave waiting anybody do you. Even if you go 247, come put a hand for your eye, make you ignore them. And that is what I have been telling you people, because na so me I believe, and na so me I dey move on now. So make una leave everybody, including Adadorama, make una leave am alone. If you mean say you dey look for Biafra, PM say, I no tell you say PM call Adadorama name, PM no call anybody name. PM talk say, make una know they go social media, go they do saga. No they call anybody name. If anybody do anything, ignore and move on. Let that person where they look for Biafra continue they look for Biafra. And let those where they stab for back continue they stab for back. This is the time for you to know who be who. This is time for you to understand who be who. You know, when I tell you, say, when things go happen, we go know where everybody stand. PM don't talk now. No be AI. No, I did here, I did for the meeting. I hear with my ears. Even when the voice was not clear, we asked, some people asking that we know they hear him. He say, okay, he can't they speak loud. I say, una they hear clear now. They say yes. And in this meeting, Igwe Putuzo dey there. I hear Igwe Putuzo voice. Gentle dey there. I see Gentle come out with him video, no be picture, no be voice alone. In come out and in talk. Many people were there for the video could confirm. And there's so many commanders who were there. So now, I want to make it clear once again, me, I know they with the government or with the CRC or with anybody, me, who go 247. I therefore support Omonso, Ogula. Support Omonso. Obruna, if Omonso they for that place, support them that place. Now where I did. And I want to make it clear again. The only Omonso where we know, now the Omonso where they unveiled. Until then, we never see any other person will come out unveil anybody say nine being Omonso. We know one Omonso will be PDF, BLF, and so on, where our PM unveil for us for Finland Helsinki Declaration, where we call Helsinki Ambazonia Helsinki, Biafra Ambazonia Helsinki Declaration. What happened for 2023? After that, for that convention, the Omonso Ndiaga, the army was unveiled. And after then, we have never seen any other army unveiled. Unless today, as I am talking to, you have a proof that anybody have unveiled any army, then that army will come forward and make their stand clear where they are standing. As for now, the only army where PM Simon Ekpa, Agedegba, Odogwana Esuogunanya, Mwejiribuago, Obata Obie, Dike, the only army where you get, where you know, where you never deny. No matter what you say they do, no matter what you feel they do, he's saying here all of them, but he still stand with them. They were in a meeting with him. He did not condemn them. So don't condemn them, but support them to keep our land. That is the only thing I will tell you. I'm not supporting anybody, but I am supporting only to keep our land, only to bring Biafra. Now, dear me, I stand the gidigam. Any other thing outside that, my hand no day. So I believe everybody hear me very clear. So tomorrow, no say Ugo 247 don't join league. And I want to make it clear again, no be AI. No be AI. I know say PM they talk with Imam Dabo before, and I hear him now in talk with them. And by the end of the conversation, in content say they go talk to, in go call him tomorrow, in the column before, in the column now, in see the column. The important thing now make we gather the evidences where we go take Sumaha, Subuha, Oyendu, Gapota, PM, Gapota, Kurebeko, Kusike, Aurubani Kunandine Wumanazo, Sedawakage. If you are one of those where they stab PM for back, come out your hand. If you are one of those directly or indirectly stabbing PM for back, how? No be say you carry knife where they see, go they shook am for back. No be so. You dey stab am back for back by knowingly or unknowingly, mistakenly or ignorantly destroying what he is doing. Repent. Repent. And they repent. Above all, stop social media saga. He emphasized on this very well, that social media saga no be the way forward. The way forward is fight your enemy. Biafrans are not your enemy. At the Tokam, that is those of you where they do saga today, where they call people name, where they use, instead of you to fight for Biafra, you they fight your fellow Biafrans. Stop. You know, say don't tell why don't they talk am. PM don't talk am now. No be only me hear them. Maybe ears hear them. Like I tell you, I was in that meeting. Igwe Butozo was there. Gento was there. No put meeting, no. But now many people will get noticed come in. So no the AI. I stand to tell you the truth. Now the truth only. Me I know. Now there me I stand. Now the evidences we need. We thank God now. No be only say na PM they talk am. No be only say na me and you they talk am. Now the whole world they deliberate on waiting they go on for Nigeria. Whether they agree say na this one or na that one, it no concern me. But PM assured us say for court they go see the evidence where they never expect. May Nigeria prepare to go Finland. May those where they support them prepare to go Finland. Above all, PM is saying there for high spirit. But remember, no be the kind high spirit wage for they give you now. Now there me I stand. And now there me I dig the bam. So I stand with PM. I stand with Omonso. Support Omonso now. Ebe mini ne hujekwe or whereby ne jeno.
Even Cross TV is not happy because so many Nigerians are defending Tinubu. He mentioned names, Sha. He called Very Dark Man and Gege and some other activities or social media guys that are defending, saying that Donald Trump is already coming to come and carry the resources. He said that the resources should be carried. If that's what they think, let Donald Trump come and carry the resources. But after all, the resources is in Biafran land.
All right, Biafrans, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night to all of you, pending your time zone, where you're watching and hearing me from this very wonderful, should I say evening, being the third day of November 2025. Tomorrow is our election day, and we're going to call the results as from tomorrow. I've been very busy since today anyways. All right, let me speed it up. I've seen a lot of reactions over the tweets that Donald J. Trump made on his social media handle, presently known as X. Now, Nigeria has been running helter-skelter and, trying to, manipulate their wars and all of that. And I've seen a lot of Nigerian medias, including bloggers, talking rubbish about that post, saying, "Oh, Donald J. Trump has a special interest in Nigeria. Oh, Trump has this, he has that. Oh, Trump speaking up now. Go and check other places that America has claimed that they want to help. You see, all of you people, all of you are all betrayers. All of you are all betrayers. I saw very dark man talking, oh, Trump did this, but look at Tinubu, look at the criminal, what is he called? The former president of Nigeria, Buhari. Oh, Buhari went to Aso Rock. Oh, Tinubu has not been able to go to Aso Rock because there's no agreement and all of that. So, what that entails is that the killings, the unaliving of Christians in Nigeria is okay. Because Trump has spoken now, he has special interest. You see, I don't know what is wrong with Nigeria. I don't know what is wrong with you Africans. People that you needed help. And now the help has tweeted and said, okay, I'm giving you so time. Including this animal called Gege. All of them are on social media attacking US president. Oh boy, that oil and gas, that mineral resources is in Biafran soil. Is in the southeast. If they want to take it to save life, let Donald Trump come and take it. This is the same mineral resources that Nigeria gave to Finland. Alexander Stubb sold Prime Minister Simon Ekpa out. Did they not tell you people that? They didn't tell you people that. They ain't going to tell you people that. Why? Because it is for political gain. And I see you, very dark man, try to analyze evil. You have been the one calling out on this injustice happening in Nigeria. And today you have turned around. Talking, oh, why should Donald Trump do this? Oh, Donald Trump has interest. Let it be about interest. But let us have peace in Africa, most especially in that contraction called Nigeria. Let there be peace. Christians have been unalive day and night. And today, the clergymen from the north are now saying that it is not only Christians that they are unaliving, that they are unaliving the Muslim too. Who are the people unaliving the Muslim? I just laugh when I see all of you making noise on social media. If most of you were not paid to come and do what you are doing, why are you stopping the government of America to come and help us in this insecurity, insurgents happening everywhere in the whole Nigeria? Why are you people against it? If you people are not evil, many people have gone. Terrorists and bandits as unalived so many people in the southeast. We have been calling on Donald Trump to come and help us. And now the man has spoken and all of you are against it. Can you see that you people don't know what you want? Can you see that all of you are a bunch of betrayers? Can you see that? I'm seeing a lot of people tweeting, people that don't even tweet before. I'm seeing a lot of people going on social media, people that don't even come on social media. Some people have gone to open social media accounts, even X accounts today, because of what Donald Trump said. What are they going to do to Nigeria to give you people, soft landing? Christians have been unalive, and new people are coming. Look at Gumi threatening America. Look at Asare de Kubo threatening America, and you people cannot say a word. But Trump, he said, oh, now Gumi knows that Nigeria is a sovereign nation, is it? And the same Gumi go to negotiate with bandits in the forest and come to tell the government that, oh, these people need this, they need that. And government will not say anything about it. Now, that same Gumi is threatening America. So, Gumi, the same way you are threatening America, telling America that Nigeria is a sovereign state, the same way you should tell Tinubu, the drug lord, that Biafra is now a sovereign nation, that they should remove all his terrorist army, police, all of them from our soil. We're not going to warn you people again. I see all of you writing rubbish everywhere. I said this times, I keep saying this. If Tinubu is not corrected, another person will come and do worse than Tinubu. Nobody will speak about it. Look at the way they are unaliving Christians, left, right, and center. All you people will come to social media to do is America has interest. Is it that oil? America, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has promised you people he's going to give you for free. Come and take it, but let us save life. Donald Trump, if it's the oil, because of the oil that you people are speaking, now, come and take it. After all, they gave Finland our oil, our mineral resources to jail Simon Ekpa and tagging the terrorist. That's what they did. That is what they did. That is what they did. Maybe most of you don't know. Donald Trump, the drug lord Tinubu went into bilateral agreement with Finland to build some kind of mass electricity production in Lagos State, so that they would take Prime Minister away. And money was paid to Finland, and then mineral resources was negotiated. So, Donald Trump, if that is only what you are looking for in Nigeria, most especially in Biafran land, to make Biafra a peaceful nation, please come and have it. We don't need it for anything. After all, the people that have been stealing it, they've not done anything with it to better our lives. So why are we saying you should not come and take it for free? Martin Nandekano said it. If it's the oil, come and take. All we want is total freedom. Freedom is what we want. We don't need the products. We don't need the oil. That is all we want. All of you are a bunch of criminals, bunch of thieves, bunch of betrayers. That is what all of you are. Now somebody stepped up because with all the unaliving in Nigeria. Somebody stepped up and said, I will take decisive actions. Nigeria is now a country of concern. You went blazing on social media. Shameless people. Shameless people. Somebody go to talk saying get sense. Saying get sense. Yeah, it is now that you know you are going to analyze Donald Trump coming to Nigeria to help Nigeria. Are you not an hypocrite? You're analyzing. And people are clapping for you. Hi, in this OG. People are clapping. People are clapping for you. It's all right. Please, my brothers and sisters, this is a welcome development. They can run helter-skelter how much they want. They can do anything. But you see, Donald Trump, if it's that mineral resources in Biafra land, after all, the North said their gold is for them, you know. Sorry, excuse me. I think after all, the North said the gold is for them. Why the oil in Biafra land is for the whole Nigeria? That is what he said. That is what he said. So, Donald Trump, if that is what you want in our land, come and take it. But save lives. Give us our freedom. Please. That's all we want from you. Thank you so much, the United States of America, for stepping in to destroy this criminal entity in Nigeria called the drug lord Tinubu. And may God bless you from here.
Guys, just listen to Ikenga Uruago, who insists that one of the Biafran Liberation Army called Ekwekwe has been buried because Ekwekwe is a strong man. He has been there for a very long time. But according to Ikenga Uruago, he said that Ekwekwe is no more, that they have taken care of Ekwekwe. Just listen to Ikenga Uruago in what he said.
And the buyer can on a fambo Ikenga Uruago. In Nanya Kokomega for video legacy. A bucket in a Nanya bo Ndodge the Nollywood stage. And eventually Color be made this page. They have a camp the Biafra agitators under the leadership of Nandekano and the Simon Ekpa. They have a camp. And the camp are only in charge of this camp. Bonya na Ekwe. This Ekwe are committed to go a whole lot of atrocities. The job of Ekwe Bo every time Ome organize his boys. Hagane Obinetiti, German security attack. Even Emwelum tape. Ebe na one of the security personnel Emwelum Obinetiti. Ana Uchenna. Na haga appear the place. Boy in place kwa webu wanye woke butchered. Chido keke. Now, ihe Joshi can call on Akukabuna. And where a lot of terror and the horror that is currently happening in Imo State and some part of Anambra State in the name of fighting for the restoration of Biafra. And the Ebugonia before say, no one anya de careful with this Biafra of a thing. He may exterminate us. And the move go motion was say, not possible for us to come together as Indigo to criminalize the use of the name Biafra to do anything out of freedom fight or whatever, even political party. Manemana, our people, if it's a reality, now a problem to them. And if you push further, I don't think any of them were concerned when my wish bo if Igbo land to survive. My wish bo if Igbo land to prosper. That's my wish. But I face the reality and I speak the bitter truth. In my tribe or people, Jakahana go where fear. I'm manding just that. Now, people that are supposed to speak don't want to speak. And if you then come up to speak, they will target you hating the Igbo. I don't hate the Igbo, and I will never hate the Igbo. Now, I want you to hear this. Before I play the voice of Ekwe, actually, now these two people, Eburuna Dutch, but that Ekwe. The same Ekwe security personnel, nan obinetiti normal den do December. Ekwe jebego the other world. The same Ekwe security personnel nan obinetiti. Ni aye ebuye etu esikwa we ebu nwanne nwoke bụ Chidi. O jebego, I believe by now. O mu ike efu Chidi before jebe ebe nyanwa eche na olu ebe oyere. If I were below the terror and the horror we are currently facing in Imo State, and people are pretending that they don't know what is going on. If you ask them, they will shout Fulani. And let me correct this. All insult and the lay low to the reputation of Nde Fulani. Only Mochi described bandits, a son of Fulani. I don't think Nobonachi described all these terrorists that terrorize Imo State. Igbo speaking people. I don't think you will be happy. Now, Marichi may address a war-hand Igbo. You will not be happy. Yes, they are Igbo speaking people, but they have name. They are Biafra agitators. So, they are bandits, and some of them are headsmen. Call them by their name. Or if you want to address them, if you don't have Fulani, you must not put Fulani there. They are bandits and some headsmen who are committing all this crime inside bush. But like I said, now eastern part of Nigeria, our problem. Our problem about headsmen. Our problem about bandits. Our problem about Biafra agitators. They are the one threatening people. They are the one hijacking cars. They are the one kidnapping people. They are the one raping people. They are the one committing all the heinous crime you can ever think of in our land. If you doubt me, go on TikTok, go on Facebook, go on Twitter. You will see them parading with sophisticated weapons, threatening people, just that our elected representatives will not come out to speak because some of them are afraid. But people like myself, we continue to talk and nobody can stop us. These are Nnamdi Kanu supporters. What they do is to occupy one bush. From there, there will be a written attack. If they buy, they will say it's Fulani people. At times, they will come together to plan to carry out attack that will look like, oh, it's bandits attack or the so-called quote-unquote Fulani headsmen attack. That's a wrong address and that's a wrong name because the people who are doing this will know them. If you doubt me, I want you to listen to this.
Yeah, and come the theory give us a try reply. Okay, I'm like, what's in the source? Huh? One day we need to work to cover ourselves up. And the other mepo halakbam, other broadcast is possible. When you can come up now last one, I can come up and make broadcast. I can come up by myself and make the broadcast. She make sure I'm on mamu. Nobody go have nobody muddy is the game now, nobody muddy is all we see. Release your phone, you can camera herself. Release here without sorry, on your cause with English. So what I say, una say we no go agree, una no go agree to give us our land. Now, Fulani, we don't come to claim what that belongs to us. Whatever, why onyenka happy, I'm more happy. I have also. Onyenka gaga kawaze home. I had the game now, final game I'm going to take now.
That's the voice of Gentle the Yahoo telling one of his boy and Jamaica then, I was there, that they are going to capture 7 people, execute 6, and leave 1, speak Hausa for that one, and leave him to run to go to town and tell people that they were attacked by Hausa people. Do you see the plan? And that's what these people have been doing. It's just like this very one leaked. They will gather people, execute them, and leave 1 to go to town and tell people that, oh, Fulani headsmen came to attack at Enugu State. But they are the one doing it. They are the one committing all this crime. If they commit finish, they will want to put it on headsmen. They will want to put it on bandits. No, we knew bandit attack and we knew our people's attack. And the people attacking eastern part of Nigeria is these Biafra agitators. Now, let me give you the good news. This so-called Ekpa that bragged that he will buy security officer because Ekpa have consistently attacked the JTF base in Obinetiti. I want you to listen to him.
The one to Kangwa. I won't go to the Milagabo. Or do the Milag at all. And I'm not go. And the runner is at Boa Ekwe. That month will close before December. He go die. Now I promise you I still give you. If you like, stay checking points. If you like, no stay checking points. You are a big fool. But you won't check the one demarcation one. Who could take a sham. Then Bukura Ched. Gebuku. Wait, but what would China? They know to Hunayade. They know Ted. Ironya Grubu. Ishininga Kankabia. Bastard. They went to my well. Omo Ekpa ndị ha abụọ pụta ka anyị gbaa egbe ndị ọmọta nka anyị pụta ka anyị gbaa egbe ibukwana ya bịa m jiri ogbunigwe m gbabie ya abụọ gị kwuo nga anyị ga-apụta kwuo nga ọwụ selekwe nga ọwụ ịpụta ma ịhụ m di ya m bịa nga agbagbo ma na ọwụ mụ Ekpa fuck you adịghị konye ụjọ mụọ that look like a cook for your eye bastard. Just wait for me as they come. I'm gonna go to Misha Bega Bena Bagaria. I gotta continue the come. I'm gonna be at the name attack steady. Nga gave the nan walk. Nga gonna the goko. Malao to me here, Malabale.
Can you hear that? That's the voice of Ekpa bragging on how he will buy security officer. He bought one of the security personnel assembly, and he's now telling them that he will also come there to buy them, just like he buy their sibling. But do you know what the good news is? Ekwe is no more. Ekwe is gone. His bike man is gone. The formidable Obinetiti JTF security launched attack on their camp. And their camp is this video that I'm showing you here. And the Ekwe was neutralized. His bike man was neutralized. And the camp totally demolished. So, let this be a moral lesson to some of you Kamoni Mafia, now brag of what you will do. You will definitely meet your early grave if you don't come out of that bush. You see, that spirit that is pushing you will keep telling you, oh, lie, oh, say it's Fulanis, say it's this, say it's that. But one day, you will meet your Waterloo. Come out of that bush and embrace peace. Come out of that bush and take amnesty. It's my advice. Some of you and some of your elected representatives who are deceivers are going about telling you people, oh, if the government can negotiate with the bandits, why not people? But the government still want to negotiate with you people. Who are the government? The government of your state. In Imo State, amnesty is still on. In Anambra State, amnesty is still on. Why you don't want to take amnesty? They are complaining. But the amnesty is also in your own state. Why is it that you don't want to come out of bush and embrace peace? Embrace amnesty. You know what? Everything inside bush is bushmeat. And when you are caught, we will definitely deal with you. My name is Ikenga.
Biafrans, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Keep Mazinan Dekalo and Simon Ekpa in your prayers. Everything is gonna be good in no distant time. We all love you. Bye.